What's up, guys? Welcome back. All right, let's get ready here. We got about 30 minutes till market open. I just want to talk about a couple things before we get started. Um, let's see here. Let's go to my customized. Okay. My password in. Yeah, there we go. All right. So let's take a look at CFVI here. So you remember when this shot down and I was all worried about it, and I kind of averaged down a little bit. I should have stayed in the trade longer, right? So I let it go up, and I actually got out like right here. I thought it was still downtrending, but look at that. Isn't that crazy? That's insane. So what a short squeeze. Like, this is all shorting. As you can see, like, that's just total short coverage. It just totally looks like that to me. So I guess that's what I might want to look for next time if I ever see a major drop like that. That's kind of a key that there's going to be a major run up. And I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I should have held the stock. I had 5 shares. So I could have easily made, let's see, my average, I could have easily made $5. No. I could have easily made $25 on this trade. But you know what? I'm glad that I got out at a small loss. I only took like a $3 loss instead of what was it? It was about to be a $9 loss if I sold like at the bottom here, which was so tempting, right? Because that's when it hurts the most, right? It hurts the most, and you're like, I should get out. No, it's gonna rebound. Okay, so just relax, just wait. Which I'm glad I did, and I'm glad that I was right about the trade, and I'm glad that it did go higher because actually I have been trading this stock, so that's great. I actually woke up at 3 a.m. this morning, which is when the pre-market opens, and I was trading it. You can see in the corner here I'm up $1, which is good. So we already made about 1% today. So we're gonna try and keep that going. It looks like I'm working on being more profitable. That's what it looks like. Okay. Anyways, we're still looking at 2 other trades here that need to bounce back a good amount. OMER, sorry, this one's Express. EXPR is looks like it's having a ball. Have a good time. It should be bouncing back soon. And OMER as well. These are ones that will also need to bounce back, these two. And then I'll try and get out of those. Other than that, we're looking at a couple of other bangers right now. We're looking at Del Taco. As you can see, look at that gap up. Almost 100% gap up. It's 65%, so not quite there, but looking definitely at some gap up. We'll just look at these charts real quick. Yeah, look at that gap. That's insane. All right. So not too much volume on Del Taco. Might not want to trade that one. Let's look at the other one here. This one looks like it's moving a bit more. So I might get this one going, but let's pull something up on the right side here. I might pull up CFVI and just watch it and see what it's doing. Because this looks like a major play. I just can't believe how much it's squeezing, and it's because of the news. Like, if you look at the news on CFVI, the Trump deal and all this stuff, you see, I shouldn't have sold the stock if it didn't have bad news. That's the thing. I should have just held it, and because of the news, it was going to be running. And that's why they shorted the stock in the first place, was because they wanted a better price to get in. So they wanted to short it. Okay, now the damage is done. The stock looks like it's going down. People are going to sell, which is going to give it at a lower price. Then they'll cover their shares at a lower price and buy the majority at a lower price, which sends the stock rocketing again. Okay, so chances are it's going to go down a little bit, and it's going to be even better time to get in. I'm not doing holding much. I'm not doing investing much, but I would probably recommend this one if I was going to do long-term investing. This seems like it's going to be a great stock. And I mean, stocks by nature are bullish. You know, it's not like any company wants their company to go bankrupt. So, you know, when I say this looks like going, yeah, most stocks are gonna be good, but this one is looking excellent. Okay, but let's go back to the left side of the screen here, ACE, and we're just gonna focus on here for the majority of the day while we're just checking out CFVI. Okay. I'm gonna put my phone right there. And I actually got some tea boiling. I'm gonna grab my tea and we're gonna get started with the trades. Okay. Let me see anything else that I should take a peek at. iSig 408 volume. That's like no volume. Anyways, as you can see, I don't have any RSI, any MACD anymore. I'm just strictly trading price now. I find it's the best strategy for me. I feel like the RSI kind of it keeps me confused. Like sometimes if the stock's already at 70 to 100 in the RSI, I'm like, oh no, I don't want to buy it. But then it's still going crazy. You know, it's still doing crazy stuff. Like I wonder what GameStop was at when the RSI was like that, and it was just still banging numbers, you know. So I think price is going to be the best bet of what you're going to want to use if you're doing technical analysis. Price, support, resistance. I'm sure MACD and RSI will get you somewhere, but I don't think it will get you anywhere as far as just reading price. So that's what we're going to be doing, is we're going to be reading price. Okay, and as you can see, I'm using the hourly chart. I think it's good to look at the overall direction of the stock while you're trading on the 30-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute. So I'm going to be trading on the hourly. Good. My tea is whistling. I'm going to get the tea, and I'll be back in just a second. Hold up. All right. Cool beans. All right, let's get going. Let me make sure my computer's got enough space. All these videos. Let me take that one and that one and that one there. Cool. All right. Let's move. We'll just get started trading. I mean, we don't really have to wait for market open. I'm not trading with stop losses anymore. I don't think it's necessary when you're doing trading. I don't think stop losses are necessary anymore. I'm at the point now where I'm keeping capital for if I need to average down. If I wasn't doing that, might want to stop loss. If I didn't know what I was investing in and I wasn't able to read the charts, might want to stop loss. If I was just completely beginner, might want to stop loss. But here's the thing. Okay. Market makers can see your stop loss, and you're just giving free liquidity. You're just giving them free liquidity. They're going to look at the stops, and guess what their biggest problem is? Liquidity. That's their biggest problem, right? They have all the capital, but they don't have all the shares. They need the shares. So they're going to move the stock to where it hits your price. They're going to buy your shares. They're going to take your shares. See you later. Okay? Always, always, always looking for liquidity. So I'd rather not just tell them, hey, this is where my shares are. and have them take it. No, I'd rather ride with the market makers and see what's going on and do things in my favor. Stop loss and take profits. I don't think they're in my favor anymore. I'm just gonna be honest. So we're gonna get to trading now. That's hot. All right, here we go. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and look over at my ladder and my time and sales here. As you can see, I got my time and sales. It's only got the price pulled up. That's really all I need. All I'm looking for really is just rows of green. That's gonna tell me a lot of people are getting in, and a lot of orders are getting in. A lot of orders are getting filled, whether that's market orders, whether that's limits being placed at that order for some reason. If I can't see it on the order book or the order ladder, okay, which is good. But my strategy, I like to wait until the bid is actually at the price, or the price is actually at the bid perfectly like that, and then I like to get in. Reason being is because I don't want to place a bid order and then it go to the bid and below quickly. I want to do it to where it's at the bid, and like I'll give you an example here. The price is at 13.72 right now, and the bid's at 13.67. I want to wait until it's at 13.67, and it's just sitting there, right? And it's kind of eating up orders, and then it runs up. I want to be able to get the chance to where it gets my order, and then it runs up, taking profit. See it? Then I do that over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Because if I place a bid order, chances are it could be a bear market, and then it's just eating the bids, eating the bids, eating the bids. It's not like sitting at the bid and then going up, you know? So I want to be able to place an order when it's sitting at the bid and it's eating bids and it's about to go up and it's going to gap up. So that's what we're looking for here. Looking for 1365, and we are at 1365. See if I get place and wait to go up. There we go. 68, I'll take that. See if we can even get that 69 there. Good, so it's actually there. It's actually moving up. So wait again, 1367. Wow, that's a big gap up. 78. We have 78. There we go. We're in. Can we get filled? Yes, we got filled. And I would have taken that, but I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna wait just a second, because I think the stock is looking to go higher up now. I'm just gonna wait and possibly add some more here. 1373. I'm looking for 1373 where the bid and the price match up. Now it's 1375. I'm trying to get in there. I'm just gonna wait. $13.70 is the next one, and then I'm gonna call it on those. I'm only gonna take those three, and then we're gonna wait and try and get out of the positions and see how we can manage it. Right? Waiting for 13.70 right now. There it is. And if we don't get it, I'm out. Good, we got filled. All right, and now we're gonna wait. Now we're gonna wait to see what goes on. I was keeping some liquidity, you know, in case I got to average down. My max loss is 5% in total, right? So if I have, if you can see here with my unrealized P&L on the trade, That's got to say 5%. If it says 5%, I'm out. That's like the max loss, right? Because that means that the stock is just absolutely gone in the wrong direction, right? And my trade is just totally invalid. Or if it stays going to 5% slowly and it looks like it's not, then that's when I'd want to cut, right? That's when I think that the stock's in no way going to go in my favor. So I'm just going to want to cut it then and be like, okay. So that's what I call active risk management. You know, keeping capital, there we go. I'm trying to get out here. Keeping capital ready at all times. Take one there. Okay, good. And there we just made 20 something, 18, yeah, 18 cents. So now we just wait again. And so basically, I'm just trying to keep capital for if the stock just goes way, it shoots way down. That's a good time to buy shares, you know, because chances are it's going to shoot way up. But if it's slowly going down, might want to just cut that, you know. So EXPR and OMER, the ones that I'm holding, EXPR looks like it's okay. OMER is just, I don't know. It seems just less, like volume less, price less. It just seems like it's dying. But I'm not worried about it. Looks like iSig is actually having a better day than ACET, what we were looking at. So we're just going to look at iSig right now. Looks like this one's actually moving a bunch. So we might wait again. Wait till the bid. 725. Okay. See if we can get that order there. We didn't get it. 722 is the new. There it is. There we go. No, we'll just wait here, and since we just got one share, we're gonna wait and kind of see what the stock's doing. Looks like right now it's bearish. So if it tries to flip, we'll know we got it in a good spot. Which it looks like it on the 1 minute. It's flipping now, so I might want to add there on the bid, which is 716. But it's not even. It's just going. So we might leave that. Oh, see if we can, there we go. We got in there. 716, 720. I think we got in. But let's try 722. The new bid. We didn't get it there. There we go. Try now. Didn't get it there. 723 is the new one. $725. Okay, we're in there. So now we got 3 shares, I think. Let's look at our position. Cool. Okay, we're just gonna pull up the news and just see what the news is saying about everything, and nothing really targeted specifically towards iSig. So we're just gonna wait and see what the stock does. Nice dump there. Let's see how, yeah, look at that bounce back up. Okay, 730. Let's take one there. We're also gonna take one at that ask, which is 735. And then we're gonna wait again, see if we get a higher one. Wait just a little bit. I'm just gonna get out there at that ask. See if we can hit that ask again. See if it wants to hit that ask. I might just cancel that order for right now and wait until we get another bump up. See if it wants to go higher, or see what it wants to do. Because we just got one share right now, so we're just looking. Just looking. Oh, broke support there. So let's see how it does. Oh, maybe that was the actual support. It was going down to that. So we'll see. Okay, time and sales looks okay right now. Looks like there's a lot of green. Okay, it's really, really going down now. So we're just gonna see what's going on. Maybe it might be time to start playing lower. Stock is lower. Looks like it's on its way back up. So it's still kind of making some lows, it looks like. So that could just be shorting, looking for a new run up. That could be it. So we're gonna see. We're gonna wait and see what's going on. I'm really looking for a big sale on the stock. I want it to go really far down, or show signs of strength. I want to show a lot of signs of strength for me to consider getting back in and averaging down my position. I don't want to average down right now like the mistake I did with CFIV, average down when it's still red. It's just going to go lower. So I want to wait until it starts showing signs of strength, and I wanted to confirm that, and then I'll enter back in, start averaging down. And so right now we're kind of looking for a get out plan for that one share that I'm still holding, so we can get out still in the green. Just waiting. see what the loss is at right now. Oh man, it's at 10%. I might have to get out of there. Let's see, 724, 647. That's almost $1 loss. Huh. I think I'm gonna wait. I think I am gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna average down. It might pop up market open. We got about 4 minutes till market open, so it might pop up. So let's see what it does. We don't know, so we're gonna see, and we might get ready for some strength here and start adding some shares and averaging back up, or averaging down the position to where we can get back up. Looks like it's showing a little bit of strength right now. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's good. Good. Hmm. I think I'm gonna take that at 660 there. If we can get that. Which we didn't. So I'm gonna get out. Yeah, how about 670? Let's try it took me a 667. Nah. Nah. It is showing signs of strength though, so it could be waiting for a reversal now. It could be wanting that. Try 660 again. And we didn't get it. I'm just gonna wait there. So the goal is to not let it be on the bid too long. You know, because if the bid's just getting eaten up, that means bears are just, they're taking all the shares. They're really chopping through the stock and it's going lower. So the goal is for it to, as soon as I see it on the bid and I get it, I want to be filled and I want it to ride back up. Otherwise, I'm just gonna cancel my order and I'm gonna say to hell with it. I don't even want to deal with that. We got about 1 minute till open here. It looks like probably less than a minute. A little bit of strength going on right now. Okay, we're at market open. Let's see what goes on. A lot of selling, a lot of selling. Let's see if the bulls want to eat through those orders. Yeah, right through it. Okay, there's some strength. CFIV is looking real nice. It's going crazy. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Let's see if ISIG is still in the top. Yep, it's still in the top 3. That's perfect. What's the news looking like? Oh, it's stuff about sales. How sales were looking real good. Time in sales isn't really looking too good right now. It looks like there's much more sell orders. People are looking to get out of the stock. Okay. There you go. Just waiting. We're waiting for signs of strength, and then we're really going to put a bunch of capital behind it and get ourselves out. We can take about 10 shares, it looks like. If he dumps even more, then we can take more, but we can take about 10 shares, and we'll try and wiggle ourselves out once we get a bunch of strength. It needs to show more strength. Let me get the sun out of my face. It's a little painful. Yeah, that's perfect. All right. Yeah, so this one just went down so much that I almost can't let it go. I just have to. This is something that I want to actively risk manage because I can make it out. All right, there it goes. Looks like it's wanting to come back up right now. Showing good strength. Very good. Oh yeah, it's just blasting off right now. Try and get in there. We got filled. So right now our position is sitting at 704. Try and take one more there. Oh, didn't get it. Oh, damn it. There we go. Looking for 666 again. Okay, we are in. Now our position 691. Okay. Might try one more. Looking for strength. Okay, I might take one there at 612 if we can get it. Maybe 615, 617. Okay, we're in. Now our position's at 673. That might be all I want to take. So we might sit and let that kind of do its thing. See if it wants to come back. Looks like we can definitely get out of this for a profit. And then we'll start looking somewhere else. Don't know why Weeble's lagging or doing something. My positions aren't showing. That's alright. So yeah, on the 1 minute there was some rejection around looks like around $6, 580 to $6 looked like it rejected. So buyers might be coming in around there, which is good. That's seems like it's a good sign for me to want to hold my shares and wait for that turnaround. So now we just wait for it to pass up 674. Now we got a lot of sell orders right there, so if we can eat past that, that'll show me a lot of signs of strength. Yep, it ate that. Okay, we're moving on up. That's good, that's great. There we go. See if we can get out somewhere past our position area. No, looks like it rejected. So looks like oh, there goes 690 just hit. So that's a really good sign. We'll take one there at 685. We'll take another there at 685 again. Then we got two more shares. Waiting for that really bullish spike again. It looks like it does want to go really bullish. It's having those kind of spikes. Had quick rejection and quick spikes. That tells me that either shorts had sorry, there was a bunch of sell orders placed there, or shorts were wanting to get in at that price. So if we can break past that zone, that'd be perfect for another entry. I'd want to go again and put more shares in. But as of right now, we just took a little bit of profit there. There we go. And now we're just waiting for a really good bullish spike. Take some more profit. There we go, 697. We're at 7 now. $690 again. Might want to take another one there at 675. See if we can get filled there. All right, we got it. All right. So now we're waiting on bulls to really just hammer. We want the bears to just kind of ease up. We want them to see that the stock's just it's not going back to where it was from. And that should send it above 720. And I'm not really gonna sell here until we see big numbers, because it looks like it's wanting to make some big jumps. Oh yeah, 1 minute chart's looking super nice. Looking for that break. There it is. All right, I'm gonna take one there. That was what, 7 something? 707. That's what that was. So that's why it's really important to have capital on hand. If you're gonna play all in, yeah, you might want to use a stop loss, but I'm not doing that. I'd rather take an active risk management approach, and it works so well. I really think it works well. I would definitely recommend that to anybody. Have the capital on hand. The capital. That's the piece of the puzzle. So you're not taking too big a sizing, and if you are, you got to be really be sure. Or you just want to take the risk. Looks like we're going into bearish mode right now. Could be a dump before a jump. So let's check it out. We're going to feel it out, see what's going on. Right now we're only down 3% from our position. Now it's 2%. So I'm totally okay with this trade. This looks like a phenomenal trade right now. Nice rejection there. Wants to go back up. There you go. I'm going to keep that one order at 707 in case it spikes. And I'm going to be actively getting ready to exit my position around 7 or higher. Sorry if you can hear the lawnmowers in the back. Okay, nice rejection there. Good, good, good. That's excellent. So that might have been shorting, might have been selling, not sure. Either way, just holding that 707 order to exit one right now, and then we're gonna take two out once we see at 7 or higher. All right, just took a dump. Trying to assess why. Maybe same thing. Maybe that could be a lot of shorting for some reason. Maybe they want to get in before it's about to jump a good amount. So let's keep our eye on this and get ready here. Man, those lawnmowers are so loud. They're like right outside my window. Okay, slight rejection right there, but I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for big, big rejection to confirm to me that that was shorting. Something like that almost. But I want it to go a little bit higher. It looks like it was shorted around 7. Yeah, it was short around 7. So we might even see a spike higher than 7. If it was shorted around 7, we might see it go 730, 750. This could be a phenomenal trade right now, so I'm really looking to pay attention to this. There it is. There we go. Okay. Looks like we're eating up all the orders on the sell side. Really don't want to sell anything under 7 right now, just to see if my thesis is correct. Looking really strong right now, which is great. So we're seeing pullbacks which are higher and higher, right? They're jumping and then they're pulling back higher, and they're jumping and they're pulling back higher. Very strong right now. It's looking very strong. So we might expect shorts to load up again, or they cover and we see this thing go, you know, just go. It just leaves. And I am with it. There we go. There we go. That's good strength right there. Cool. We are. Ooh, we barely tapped 7. All right. Looks like shorts want to load up around 7, but if we can keep popping them, you know, they might want to reconsider that. Let's see if we can reject higher than our previous rejection. Which we did. It looks like it is. So let's see what that means right now. And see, if I had a lot of capital, I'd totally be adding. But I don't want to spend too much capital right now. I want to keep capital in case that I need to average down and, you know, get another position like this, because this seems like this is a very good position. So it looks like we're barely rejecting on 660. There we go. There we go. There we go. So if I was going short right now and I saw those rejections higher, I would totally be thinking, okay, this is looking like some serious strength. So I almost wouldn't short it again. So I think we might be going close to a breakout. Looking for it, waiting on 7. We're at 690 right now. Waiting on 7. 7 or higher, that's going to tell me shorts have covered. There it is. I'm out there at 710 for one. 17 is also one. And I think that's all of my shares. Cool. So now we're up 262. That's fantastic. All right, let me get my pen right here. So we're almost at 5% on the day. We're halfway. More than halfway. Perfect. That's great. So what was that? That was ISIG. And what was the one before that? I had another ISIG. ACET. ACET put me... Let's see. So ACT... That's 4 cents. Averaged around 73. We'll just say I was like 14 cents on ACET. So that was, oh shit, that was That was a dollar trade on F. So that one was a triangle. CFVI gave me a triangle. This one was also a triangle. So I got like a key here. It tells me like if it's like 10 cents per trade, it was like an X. If it was a 10 to 50 cent trade, it's a double X, so I can quickly look through my journal and see, oh shit, that was a triangle, that was a dollar trade, stuff like that. I can quickly look through my journal because I got a key, X, double X, triple X, triangle, all types of shapes and stuff. So Ace T, it was 14 cents, something like that. That's double X, and this is the 6th. Good. Now we're gonna take a look at ISIG. That was like a dollar something. We'll just say $1.11. That's a triangle trade. 12.6 again. Good. All right. So let's take a look at what's going on again with ISIG. It looks like it's wanting to do stuff, but it's getting big rejection. So I might want to looking at the 1 minute right now, seeing what's going on. Any news come out? No. Okay. 14. Okay, I'm taking one there. It's looking like it definitely wants to break out higher. Might want to take one at 705 as well, which I did right there. So let's see what goes on. Okay, getting out right there at 720 on one of them. See if we can get filled on that. All right, we got filled on one of those. See if we can get filled a little higher. Might save that share for a breakout at 720 to go even higher, which it looks like it almost wants to do. Yeah, it looks like there's good selling right there, so I might just wait a second. See what's going on. We just took those profits real quick. Looks like $7, close to $7 is the magic number. 705 is where the bid is right now. I'm gonna try and line it up with my order if we can hit. Okay, 715 now. Bid is moving up. I might try and do 707. Might try and wait. Looking to get eaten up. I'm just going to get in right there if I can at 715. Can I get in? Yes, I did get in. Right, let's see if we can get some sell orders eaten up and we can start moving up the ladder here. Looking like it really wants to break out. Really looking for something there. Looks like it. I'm gonna try and take another there at 710 712, 713 maybe it was. And now we're just gonna wait, see what we can get. There it is. It sort of tested the breakout. Let's see what it does. Yeah, lots of selling at that rejection right there, 723. See if I can get one order to sell at 723. Well, okay, it's dumping right now. So a lot of shorting, a lot of shorting. They might be wanting to get in a good price before they cover, so this might be perfect for me to try and get in. Hopefully we can get some good strength there on the reversal. I don't want to be buying on a red candle. Remember, I want to be buying when it's definitely reversing. Still not convincing enough yet for me. Looks like we're getting higher bids. In English, that means that we're moving up. Looks like it's going higher, but now it's not. Now it's definitely going the opposite direction. So we're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait a second, see what's going on, see where support is. They might be trying to cover, so I think they're trying to get in at a lower price. Whoever is really playing this stock right now, someone just dumped it big time, so I almost want to take advantage of that and see what's going on. I have a feeling they might short it one more time. How much capital I got? Oh yeah, we're perfect. We are perfect right now. So it would be pretty nice if it just absolutely just took a nice dump. That would be pretty nice. If it rips, cool, we can take our profit. So anyways, I'm telling you, active risk management is the way to go. I'd never want to be just stop lossing. I hate it so much. I just remember the sea of red when I if you guys could see my journal, like there was a sea of red. Like I wonder if you can even see that. All that red was just like a sea of red one day. Just stop after stop after stop. And maybe it was for the best because I didn't know about active risk management. I wasn't really learning about it yet. So maybe it was for the best. But, oh man, that's a real good way to lock in losses right there and not average down. That's a real good way is your stop loss. So I'm not an advocate for it. I'm not even an advocate for take profits anymore. I'm all about manual enter and entry, manual enter and entry, and rinse and repeat, being active in the trade. If I'm going to be away for a while and I'm not even sure about the trade, maybe. But if I'm not sure about the trade, probably don't want to get in it, right? So I'm all about the manual enter and entry now. I don't want any stop loss. I do not want the stop loss. So we got plenty of capital right now. I'm really looking for some price rejection. I'm really looking for some strength so I can get in at a lower price and start looking for a way to the upside right now. Yeah, CFIV was a good lesson. That was a $3 lesson. And I could have made money on that trade a lot actually, but I didn't. And sometimes lessons are just like that. You don't get out too good. You just get out at enough, and that's what lessons are about. And that just taught me, don't just buy in when you see a big dump. Wait for strength because it could still dump. It could still be dumping. So definitely wait for strength. And I wrote it over here. It says, assume trend will continue until clear reversal indicators. I must have wrote that when I begun trading, and I still didn't live by it. Now I'm living by it because the pain hurt me. And I was sitting there seeing $10 loss on my $100 account, and I was thinking, holy shit. But we're good now. And let's focus back up. It looks like we're starting to have strength in our territory again, in the bullish territory. It looks like we're starting to look like it again. So if it rejects higher, it's definitely bullish. If not, retail might have just brought it back up for them to short again, and they might be trying to short down to support, or they might be trying to short somewhere, or do something. But if this rejects above this green candle, that's bullish enough for me to say that's bullish. I should probably have my hands ready on my hotkeys if it just goes crazy or something. Comes like that. It's looking strong, looking strong. So I'm gonna try and take one there. 68. Yeah, look at that. That just 720, 730. So what that means is they covered and they reshorted. Don't know why. Don't know what that means. Maybe they are gonna. Maybe they wanted it to look like that, or maybe they wanted volume to look some way, some type of way. I'm just gonna wait here. I'm not gonna do anything. Or maybe that was the cover, and maybe shorts came in. A lot of sellers came in and just shot it straight down. So I canceled my order. I'm gonna try and keep my eye on that. I don't know what's going on. It is moving on up though. It is showing signs of strength. I'm gonna wait just a little bit longer. Yeah, that's probably good. 685. I think I'm okay with that. Let's get in there. If we can get filled there. Looks like we can. You know what? We're just gonna wait a second. Let's try 690. Oh, took it at 688. We'll try it again. 696. There we go. There we go. There we go. So looking for nice cover right here. Looking to see if someone's smart enough to. Oh, they could be. This could be them covering actually. Yeah, a lot of buy orders there. Looks like we're. Bulls are just eating it up. Oh, sorry, bears are just eating it up. They're just eating those buys. They're looking to get out at a lower price. So that could tell me something that I might want to wait. Let's check my capital. I only spent one, right? Yeah, only about one. In case it goes down a bunch. Okay. So if it breaks that 697, let's just say 7. If it breaks 7 and it likes that, it likes 703, something like that. That could be really good for the bullish argument. Yeah, one thing I found since I'm not using stop loss or take profits, it really has you in the trade. You're not just blindly into bing bing and go fuck off somewhere. I feel like that's the worst thing to being a better trader. You really want to spend time in the trade. You want to look at the trade and assess what's going on. Just like a business, you want to assess. If your business starts to fail, you want to say why. You want to fix it. You don't want to just say, "Oh, my business is failing," and then you close the business. That's not that's not what you want to do. And shout out to PF Sundar. He's a YouTuber, man. He taught me that over the weekend. I was watching his YouTube videos. Yes, yes, yes. Watch PF Sundar. Absolutely amazing. He has one on why you shouldn't use a stop loss. I recommend it 100%. And it will help you be a more active trader. It'll help you be a better trader. It'll help you be aware. And that is his goal, is to help you be aware when trading. He says, why is only 99% of the people, why are only 1% of the people making money in the stock market? 99% are losing money. One of the reasons why is that stupid stop loss. That's one of the reasons. All right. So it's something we got to pay attention to. All right, back to the trade. Let's go. So we're kind of just waiting. We're almost just looking, and kind of reading charts, looking at the 5-minute. 5-minute looks barely bullish. It's almost upsetting how barely bullish it is. But I have I have the capital to average down if I need to. So I'm in no way worried. I am in every way prepared. And that's what's so important. When you're trading, investing, I'm in every way prepared. Good rejection there. I want to see again. Okay, again. Yeah, that's perfect. So we could be heading bullish now. It just wouldn't have took a small dump. So I'm gonna start paying attention to this price action here. Yep, there it is. Good price action. Really starting to run. It broke that 7 area. Look for chances to get out here. I might be looking for somewhere around 720. I got 3. Oh, nice dump there. Someone's trying to shake buyers out. Looking for 720. Oh wow, CFVI is just dumped. Look at that. CFVI is gone. Everybody took those profits. That's fine. It'll come back. Still looking on 720. Yeah, so 720 almost means that it's just gonna hit that resistance that we met at the top there. I'm gonna try and take one at 720, and then wait for the rest. If it blows past, then I'm gonna wait. Let's see if we can hit that resistance. There we go. I want it to hit and bounce just barely, and then I want it to just rock it. I'm trying to take that profit at 720, and then and shout out to man, I've been watching videos like crazy. Shout out to Francis Hunt. If you guys ever watch Francis Hunt on YouTube, him talk about trading and everything, man, he is just a market sniper. That's where I got dip snipers from. It was Francis Hunt. Love Francis Hunt. He has something to talk about with risk and risk management. How long you're in the trade is another risk factor. And yeah, that's just excellent. I don't want to be looking for 720 all day. If it's giving me 715, 716, I'm going to go ahead and take it. That's too much risk. And move on and start taking some profits, looking somewhere else. So yeah, shout out Francis Hunt. Shout out Warren Buffett. Shout out Peter Lynch. Shout out my mentor, John Ninniman. Man, you are killer. Killing it. Yeah, shout out Ross Cameron, Rainer Theo, yeah. Day Trading Addict, Humble Trader. Everybody on YouTube, man, that is just killing it right now in the trading game. I'm watching all the channels. I'm watching all of them. PF Sundar, that's who I'm mainly on right now. I love his take on the markets. Okay, let's get back. Pay attention right now. Looks like it's starting to Starting to want to do some crazy stuff. But yeah, shout out, man. I love all those channels. If you guys watch those channels, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite? No way. Did it hit 720? No, it didn't. No, it didn't. I say, did it hit it when I was talking? Okay, nice dump there. Nice dump there. Wonder why. It's not like that was a, resistance point. It almost seems like they were just battling, and buyers lost. That's almost what it seemed like. Buyers lost. So buyers might try and get in at another price, or maybe now it's a bullish, now it's a bearish statement. Now it's bearish. I don't know, but I'm still looking for 720. $720 basically means it's going to break out of whatever it's doing right now to the upside. I could trade the range right now and just do, bid, sell, ask, bid, sell, ask, bid, sell, ask. I'm really trying to save my energy and really take some quality trades right now. So 720 all day right now. 720. If the market was really rangy, if I was going to start trading range, I should have already done it. Right now, I'm just really trying to focus on that price target right now. Just looking at what it's doing. Looks like it dumped, then it rejected higher quickly. Man, that's real good news. Very low volume right now. I mean the candles are just closing really thin. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I want to see it reject higher. There we go. It might be breakout time, boys and girls. Getting ready here. Getting ready here. Look for 720. Looking for 720. Look at that. Taking one there. Taking another one. If we can get it at 724. We got it. Okay, I'm going to save this last one for a really bullish case. See what it wants to do. Man, we're killing it today. Waiting for a real bullish case. I'm maybe $8. If it wants to break out of this whole 5-minute majiggy, and just start going up, just really towards like 790, 760. It's really wanting to break out. I might just hold this and just wait a second. So yeah, let's take a step back. We're hanging out right now. We got good profits. We got almost 30 minutes until it's time for us to quit. We'll try and stop at 10. I gotta go drive for Uber in just a minute. Make some more money to put in the markets. And pay rent. That's important, right? Because this isn't paying rent. I'm more or less focusing on growing this account $100 to $1,000, and then once I can do that, if I can do that, amazing. That's perfect. I think I'll really be able to keep that rolling and prove to myself I can do this. And then if I really really can do it, I can quit doing Uber. I can focus on this. I can focus on making music. So, fantastic plans happening right now. Um, I just really love trading the markets. You know, I really love being in it. I really love seeing the psychology, what's going on. Um, I love making YouTube videos. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. We still got about 30 minutes, so yeah, we're not closing it down right now. Don't worry. But it's a great day. Um, we're learning how to trade. We're learning how to trade, and that's what's important. You know, learning. Man, that things that really flipped the switch for me was that risk management, that active risk management, having the capital ready, having it ready. That's what's important, you know, and just being ready to average down when you need to. And in some cases, like CFIV, man, some cases it might take a while, and you got to have the capital ready to take the next trade, you know. And so we definitely don't want to be looking too much at getting too far into one trade, you know, and especially now with the capital that we have right now. We have $100. Nah, we can't be putting 30, 40, $50. We can't be doing that. Then we don't have enough to average down if we need to and wiggle ourselves out of a trade. All right. Let's look back at what's going on right now. To me, it's still looking bullish. It's still looking like it wants to get out of there. But that resistance point, 720, you know, all that, 725, all that stuff. It's hanging out. It's definitely hanging out. Is that bearish? Rejected higher again. That's real good. See if we can get 750. Maybe might want to cut it 750, 760, something like that, because that would tell me it's near in that other breakout spot, and then we might want to play the range there. Yeah, that could be a good plan. Play the range there. See what it's doing. I just really like those rejections. Like those are perfect. That's just telling me that there's no way sellers are gonna be able to push past that. Just buyers are so strong because those are nice wicks on the bottom. You know. Who's that? Oh yeah. Look at that shorting. So we might be looking into breaking out of that whole ordeal. 728. Yeah, it might be coming soon there. I really like that shorting that just happened. That tells me a lot. I might actually want to get in at the bid right there, 679. If I can get that. Can I get it? Got it. We'll just take that one share as a little Christmas present. And then we'll just see what it does. I have a feeling it's going to be going crazy. Really showing signs of strength from that dump. Just immediate rejection, and that's perfect. That's exactly what we want to see. Alright, so here we go. Gonna be looking for 750. 750, 760, $750. That's what we're looking for. $750. We're not looking for $7.50. We're shooting high. 750. Just waiting. I'm glad you guys are here. If you're watching this, bravo. You know, I'm not the most entertaining, and I can't fucking talk the majority of the time. But hey, we're having a good time, man. We're really learning how to trade. And that's so important. You know, you do anything, you want to be getting better at it, especially if you're passionate about it. I am passionate about it. I want to be able to make money. I want to be able to help people, you know. And that's what's important. That's what my mentor is really teaching me, you know. When we make the money, we got to be giving back, you know, donate, stuff like that. And that's something I like to do. Even if I don't have money, I want to be able to give. I want to be able to donate here and there. You know, I think that's so important. So I feel like trading is really going to help me do that. And it's really, really going to help me be able to see how I can develop and how I can accelerate into the next course of my life. Being a giver. I want to be a giver, man. My whole life I've been a taker. I'm not proud to say it. I've been taking. You know, Christmas comes around. Oh, hey, thanks for the gift. Barely have gifts. You know, I barely have gifts because a lot of the time I'll be thinking that gifts are money based. You know, it's not like that. So I'm really trying to change that. And having money will help me do that. Believe it or not, it will help me do that. It'll make me feel more confident. Something, you know, a lot of time you don't have money, you don't feel confident. Oh crap! So you're not thinking, how do you get a gift that doesn't cost a lot of money? You're not thinking like that. You're just thinking, oh shit, I don't have money, you know, fuck. So we're just we're gonna try and keep it real, man. Keep everything real and change lives. Change lives with the type of work we're doing right now. CFVI is looking to reject off of that dump. I'm not sure it might though. I think it might go a little bit lower. Or who knows, you know. I think it might do one of those actions that it did the other day, just reject or go down, reject slightly up, and then continue to do one of those, you know, slow declines. And then it'll just have some fun on the way up. That might be a solid stock right there, CFVI. You know, I might have just barely got my glance at it. So I think I'm gonna really watch that one. Let me make sure it's on my watch list there. Cool. All right, let's get back to focusing on the trade. ISIG. See if it's done dumping. Take a look at it. Nice. Good rejection there. Rejection is important, man. It's like that is the keys in trading is rejection. It tells you the DNA of the trade, right? It tells you the area of where the trade's trying to stay in. It tells you how quick it's going to break that area. You know, rejection is, in my opinion, the best indicator. No moving average, Bollinger, VWAP, MACD. Price rejection is the way to trade. That's why candles, man. Candles are everything. Learn to read the candles. Learn to check it out. See what's going on. That's how you're going to get conviction in your trade. Not by a fucking stop loss. Just placing random trades, you know. I went through this period maybe last month and I was like, oh, the market's totally 50-50. It's rigged, you know. You could just place a stop loss real quick. And if it just, you know, you might lose 10 times in a row, but you're going to have that one gainer and you're going to win 3 times your loss. Man, all that is bogus. It's all bogus. It's all about having capital ready, active risk management, being able to manage your business. This is a business. You have to treat it like a business. If you can't manage your business, you're going to have the computer do it for you. No. The computer is there for information. That's it. Your job is to manage it. You have to make the judgments. Computer's just there for the data. That is it. Learning that is helping me be the best fucking trader. I see, I'm smiling, I'm giggling, I'm in joy right now, you know? Because learning how to, you got to size the trades to where you can have capital ready to be an active risk manager. You got to stick to that system. If you don't stick to it, you start saying, oh my God, I know this trade's going to be excellent. I'm throwing all my money in. If you're investing, great. I don't see any problem with that in investing. Put all your money in one stock. If you have hunch in the stock, you believe it. You know, the data's there. Everything's good. You have a great feeling about it. Put all your money in it. That's fine. That's what I did with GameStop. I'm leaving GameStop for like 5 years. That's a long-term play. Okay? Don't do that with trading. Don't do that with day trading. Don't do that with swings. Have capital ready. Watch the sizing. You know, that's what's important. Because and scale in, scale out. That's what I'm trying to say. Scale in, scale out. Because that. Man, it's working for me. Let me tell you, it's working for me. You know, and that's the strategy that I decided on. And you know what? Maybe I'm being biased. Maybe that's definitely not the only strategy. I don't think it's the only strategy, right? You can obviously use stop loss. You'll be all right. But I think to be extremely profitable, no. I don't think the stop loss is the way to go. I don't think so. Or especially not too tight of a stop. Man, I was putting like 0.3%. I wasn't even putting a 1% stop. I was putting 0.3%. I said if it wasn't immediately going in my favor, I was out. How many times do you think a stock isn't immediately going in your favor? The majority of the time. The majority of the time. So you're going to lose money doing it like that. You are not going to be profitable. And that's just, and let me tell you, the journal is everything. The journal showed it. The journal showed it, man. And maybe you can do that. Maybe you can. Maybe the stock will go in your favor. If the candle, let's say the candle's green, maybe you want to play that way on a green candle. Maybe that's the ticket. But I still do not think you should be using stops. Nah. I just hate him. Okay, let's get back to the trade. We got about 15 minutes left, and we are negative right now in this trade. So let's get back. Let's look at what's going on. Let's assess it. Right. How long is this going to drag out? Because we're trying to get out of here at 10. Start getting on with the day. So let's see how... Oh, yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Let's be watching now. Looking for 750, 760. I want it to break out of that whole little shabam it's got going on the 5 minute. I want it to head towards the top of that whole thing. I want to see bids moving up. I want to see asks moving up. Still got rejection, man, so it might not be time yet. We might have a little more time to wait, but that's okay. I'll wait a little bit longer if I can get 1% more out of a trade. 1% of my whole portfolio out of a trade. I'll wait a little bit longer. Yeah, I really like this setup though. Like, look at this setup. This is perfect. On the left side, 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, and we got the hourly. Then we got the time and sales just right there, just showing me the price, more or less because I just want to see what's going on right now. How many orders of what kind are being filled? I want to see a lot of orders on the bullish side. If I'm bullish bears, that's what I want to see, right? I want to see it just snapping, because chances are they're not all going to be one share orders, right? So I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about the sizing of the orders. I want to see just green, and that's going to say, hey, pay attention. Then I got my order ladder. It shows me the distance from the bid and the ask, right? Very good, the order ladder here. That's mainly what I look at a lot of the time when I'm looking at the trades. And I have my order book here. It shows me all the orders in total and the depth chart. Perfect. I have my trades right here if I need to place an order to be filled. Probably not, right, since I'm doing the active risk management. I got my positions here, my watch list, order, notes if I want to put any notes. I got my tops. I got screener, I got order flow, I got short interest here. If I want to do options, I don't play options. News, important. And I got key stats, volume, turnover rate, stuff like that. Then I got the other side over here, and this can all be quickly switched with just clicking this little thing here. Left side is number 9, right side is number 7. And I could just easily click it. The right side is only to be looked at, right? I never trade on the right side. I always trade on the left side. Okay, so the right side is only to be monitoring. Okay, I never want to be trading twice, 2 things at once. It's going to totally mess everything up. I'm not going to be able to focus, and that's what's important, is to be focused, right? So the right side is usually for like the Dow, the S&P 500, maybe GameStop, or maybe something that I'm just looking at, like CFVI. Just want to hang out. We're chilling right now, not really worried too much about the markets. We're just looking, right? Really love this setup. Thank you, Weeble, for being able to give me a great setup like this. I love the customization of this app, Weeble. I love it. I love it. It's just perfect, And if maybe there's more brokers that do even better customization, but this works perfect for me. I love it. I'm not going to change it. I also have Moomoo. Moomoo has another majority of my GameStop shares, but I don't. Moomoo's seem like the developers aren't as interested in customization as Weeble. So I'm more interested in staying in the Weeble area for now for day trading and for I want to spend more time in Weeble. I'm able to customize it more, see what works best for me. This works best. This is perfect. I'm sticking to this. Let's go. So yeah, let's pay attention right now. We got about 12 minutes until it's quote unquote time for me to get out of here. We will extend it if need be, but right now we're looking for breakout 750, 760. We're looking to head out of that zone there. That's been going on the 5-minute chart. We're looking for bulls to just take control, and then I'm out. So you got 2 shares. Yeah, I definitely want it to break and head towards 750. I think it's gonna. So we'll just wait. We'll just wait. We're hanging out. We're chatting. I'll put my feet up a little bit like that. Yeah. What a life. You should probably get ready to sell here. Looking like it's having some fun. Yeah, still waiting on Express and OMER to turn around, man. Those are sad plays. I'm kind of sad that I messed up with those. They're lessons, and they'll turn around at some point, but I don't know. I might, maybe I have enough capital to leave them there, and then blah blah blah, or maybe I just say take the loss. I can make that capital in one day eventually. So we're just hanging out. We're gonna see. Very low volume on the 5-minute right now. So that might tell us. Load up the ship. It's waiting. Oh yeah, another thing that helped me is not buying market, not selling market, not buying last price, not selling last price. Buying the bid, selling the ask. That has helped me so much. It really has. And I enjoy it. I think it's the best way because you're guaranteed to make money if you do that. You buy the bid and then sell an ask, you're guaranteed to make money. How much? That's going to depend on how good you are. Yeah, I don't really. If I have to immediately get out, which chances are, if I have to immediately get out, I'm being too emotional, right? So I'm probably not going to buy and sell last price, market price. I'm probably going to buy the bid, sell the ask most of the time. Most of the time, it's going to be like that. Well, just in case I have to buy last, sell last, I'm never doing market orders. Because they'll just fill you at whatever price. Yeah, super low volume on the 5-minute right now. Looks like we've got about 9 minutes until it's time to get out of here. 8 minutes now. Let's see, it's a race against the clock. Nah, we'll keep it going a little bit longer if we have to. But ideally, I'm going to start, really considering getting out of my position around in about 8 minutes here, Central Time, 10 o'clock. Okay. Still looking for 750. We're hopping up now. There it is. There it is. Let's see if it's enough to push it past and break out of there. There's 705, 710. Here's 720. Really have to be ready here. There it goes, there it goes. Let's go. Yeah, bids are moving up, so that's excellent news. I think this might be the time for it to break out. Around 750, something like that, 760. You know, since that's the case, I might take another one right there. See if we can get filled at $7 right there. Which we couldn't. So I'm going to cancel that. There it is, there it is. Let's go. Sender. See if I can take one before we blast off there. Try and get 705. Nice, we got it. All right, lots of volatility. Watching and waiting. Looking for 750, 750. Let's go. We got 3 minutes here. Come on, you can do it, baby. Come on, baby. I think it is breakout time, so we're waiting right now. This is looking like it's gonna be time. Looks like it's testing 7. It doesn't want to break out of 7 right now. There we go. It just broke. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. It's slowly creeping up. That's good news. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm looking for all those orders to get bought up, all those sell orders to just get wiped out. People got to realize it's breaking out, and then they're going to start selling higher. But they got to realize it's breaking out first. I got to see it too. Here it is. Here it is. Looking for 730, give me 740. So it's bouncing around 715, 720. Still looking for 750. Still looking for it. That song, I'm looking for. Let's go, 750. I'm looking for you, baby. We saw that big jump and big rejection. I think it rejected higher than the last time, which is good news. So we're going to see here. 715. Let's go. We're seeing real good volume coming on the stock right now. Really concentrate on this price. You know, I don't really like putting those limit orders, because if it just taps 750, that's cool. But chances are it's not just gonna tap 750. It's gonna, if it goes to 750, it's gonna hit 750 and might go higher. So I don't really want to put limit orders. I want to watch and wait and see what it's doing, how's it feeling, you know. It's still floating higher. It's sitting higher now, so that's great news. It's 10 o'clock right now, so we are now in overtime, and this will be the last trade. Nice bull flag on the 30-minute. Look at that perfect bull flag there. That is what I'm talking about. See what's going on. Still waiting on 750. I like that. I like that. I like that. Come on. Oh, he's moving his bid higher. Let's go. He's getting eaten up, though. That's fine. $14. I want to see 720 again. There it is. There's 720. 723, 725. Let's go. Oh, it's liking 720 again. This is real breakout territory. I want to see 750 though. I want to see 750. I want to see 760. That's where my taste is right now. It's liking 720. That's great. I want to see 750. This is a real high quality trade right now, so I'm really looking for that big gain. Nice 1% of my entire portfolio on this trade, man. Maybe even more. I think 1.5% will be it if we can get that 750, man. That'll be great. Looks like it's still rejecting higher. I am just loving this trade right now. And you see, it's all about the entries. If we would have taken the majority of our shares when it was peaked at around what, we'd be sitting there like, waiting for it to go into profit. But no, we kept the capital. We averaged down. We even made money on the way back up. And now we're looking to make big, big guns right now. So really just waiting. It looks like those bids, man, those bids are moving up. Okay, bears are almost in control, it looks like. But I don't want to see that yet. I think they might be in control so slight. I think it's just gonna boom, boom, boom. It's ready to go. This thing's ready to move. Let's go. Let's go. There it is. Let's go. It's just crazy how small my account is compared to all these other accounts that are trading. It's just so crazy. Nice bid order right there. Buying above the last price. Great move. Nice, nice, nice. So we are seeing some dumping right now, but I'm in no way worried. This thing is ready to go. Just waiting right now. There it is. There it is. I like that. I like that. Let's keep it moving. Yeah, real signs of strength right now. Look at that. Look at that. Going back to 720. Past 720. I want to see 750. Let's go. 727. It's liking it. And got rejected again. Oh, it's heading for it again. There it is. There it is. Going past 720 again. Oh, man. That's real, real good right there. Come on, then. $730. Let's go. I want to see 740. Nice. We're 735. 740. Oh, we're going to hit 750. Come on. Seven. We are moving right now. This is great news. 740. There it is. There it is. There it is. Let's go. Back up. We're going back up now. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. 740 again. Look for 750. 745. It's hitting it. It's hitting it. Come on. I love it. I love it. It's getting some rejection, but that is okay. This stock is so strong right now. Good. Back to 736. I want to see it hit 740 again. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, he might be hitting 750 real soon here. There's 740 again. Just breaking past all these orders on the sell side. Just filling them up. Come on. $733. Except we're going down now. Oh, back up. That was the dump before the jump. 42. Come on. 45. Almost at 50. 50. Taking it at 50. They didn't get filled yet. Waiting for it to come back up and to place the rest of the two orders there. I only got one selling at 750 right now. Filled. Take another one. Take another one. That one's at 755. Come on. It wants to do it. It wants to. Come on. Get my last one out. $7.51. Get that last one out of there. We're done. We're done. And look at it just go. We're done. We're out. We finished the day with $4.68. That's almost 5% on the day. If we can do that every single day, we will double our account every month. / every 20 trading days, we will double our account. If we can make 5% a day of our account, we'll double it. And obviously, it's going to increase like 5% of the next day increases and 5% of the next day increases. So let's see our total account value right now, okay? So we got about 20, 30, we got about $31 there. 31 plus 84. $31 plus $84. 10, 11, 111? 31 plus 84, something like that. 115. Good deal. Good deal. So we are hanging out right now, boys and girls. Thanks for watching, Dip Snipers. I really hoped you liked today's video. We talked about a lot of good stuff, and we are winning. We're learning how to win trades now, okay? That's not with stop losses. We're not winning with stop losses. We're not winning with take profits. Why is that? Because if we would have just put 3 orders at 750, it would have just hit 750 whatever. Right. But we got one at 750, one at 752, one at 755, right? So we even squeezed a little bit extra profit out of there. Excellent job. Today was amazing. We're going to try and do it again tomorrow, okay? We're going to try and get some more percentage out of tomorrow. And we're sticking to these rules. We're going to stick on these rules. We're going to stick to the risk management that we're doing, the active risk management. We're going to stick to the system. Trade sizing, everything's going to remain the same. Okay, look at ISIG go. Perfect. Amazing. Good job. All right. We'll see you guys next time, all right? Peace out. This is what? Is this day 6? Is this day 5 or 6? Don't know. Anyways, see you later. I'll figure it out next time. Peace out. Subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, shout out to all those channels, right? Ross Cameron, Rainer Teo, Day Trading Addict, Humble Trader. Shout out my mentor, John Ninnyman. Shout out Peter Lynch, Warren Buffett, Francis Hunt, P.F. Sundar. Yeah, shout out everybody, man. Good job. Peace out.